Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a personal domain or the own domain by using Canva website. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome or the preferable browser, and once you're in the browser you have to simply type in www.canva.com in the search bar and simply log into your own account, and after that open up the design that you would like to publish. So let's say I would like to open up this design from here, and here you can see in the top here you will get the option of public or publish website. You have to simply click on it, and after that what you need to do is you will get this of use a custom domain option. Here you have to simply click on the bring your own domain, and after that you have to simply click on the continue. And once you click on the continue, then what the next step is, it will simply take you to this page, and where you have to simply type in the enter your domain name, and here you have to simply put in your domain details. Make sure that there are no typos and you are not making errors. Then you have to simply click on the continue, and after that it will simply connect you to the domain. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.